Mounting the TruClose MultiAdjust gate hinges is quick and easy on most gates. Designed for large vinyl, composite wood or metal gates with larger gate gaps. Vertical, horizontal and closing speed adjustments can be made after installation. Check the gate and fence post minimum size requirements. All screws and hinge trim covers come supplied. The screws are self-drilling, using only a standard battery drill with a number 2 Phillips head drive. For metal and wood gates, a pilot hole is recommended. Vertical gate height adjustment is achieved by using a flathead screwdriver in the green adjuster dial. Unlock the dial on both hinges by turning them anti-clockwise, 180 degrees. The gate can be freely moved up or down. Turn the vertical adjuster dials back to the locked position. Horizontal adjustment is achieved using the same method on the opposite green dial. Unlock the dial anti-clockwise, then adjust the gate. The hinges can be adjusted one at a time. A large gate gap can be achieved at this stage. Turn the horizontal adjuster dials back to the locked position and check the gate operation. The gate closing speed can be increased using a flat blade screwdriver. Press down and turn the tension adjuster anti-clockwise until it pops into the next setting. Repeat on both hinges as required. Attach the hinge trim covers and your TruClose MultiAdjust hinges are now ready for use. The combination of MultiAdjust hinges and D&D latches offer the ultimate in horizontal and vertical adjustment on both sides of the gate.